Want to design a professional quality duotone newsletter with elegant color effects that stand out and that you can print anywhere, even at home? I'll show you how. Instead of turning everything in this newsletter into tints of all the same color, we can leave them as grayscale and add a second color so that we create a 2-ink job that still saves money on ink setup costs and looks excellent. It uses just processed black and cyan inks with 10% tint swatches for each. As you can see here on the swatches panel, I've grouped them for easier organization. Adding that second color can really make the design pop, to use the word of so many clients. Earlier, we worked with mixed inks and mixed ink groups. As I mentioned then, mixed inks can only be created utilizing at least one spot color. But what if you want to use only process colors? Simple. Mix your two process colors together. In this case, let's go with 100% cyan and 100% black to create shades of cyan just like a mixed ink group. Create a new color swatch that is 100% cyan and 100% black. Now on the swatches panel menu, you can see that new mixed ink swatch and new mixed ink group are grayed out. That's because the document doesn't contain a spot color. Instead, choose New Tint Swatch. Now, make tints of the black and cyan swatch. 90%, 80%, 70%, and I'll let you do the rest on your own. In this way, we can create shade swatches without spot colors. Then we can assign those swatches to objects for a duotone effect. Watch what happens when I assign one to the photo here. I'll select the photo with the white arrow so that I get the image inside the frame, and then give it the black and cyan color, the full 100% of both inks. Look at that! That's a nice duotone. And you don't have to use black in the mix. Return to the color panel and, with CMYK sliders, mix 100% cyan and 100% yellow, leaving both magenta and black at 0. Create a new swatch. The color panel automatically switches into single color mode when you create a new swatch, so select CMYK from the panel menu again. Now drop the cyan percentage to 90 and create a new swatch from that. Do it again for 80% cyan. And so on. You can mix any process ink colors this way, creating swatches of different percentages of 2 inks for duotones, 3 inks for tritones, and 4 inks for quadtones. And, of course, none of the inks has to remain 100%. You can change all their percentages. These 5 images, duotones all, show how well duotones can be combined in the same layout. Imagine if this were a table of contents of a book, magazine, or digital publication. They work together a little bit better like that, don't they? How about adding even more duotones to the design? When the job is going to be 4-color or RGB full color, combining multiple monotones and duotones can get you some really interesting, impactful designs. There's that bicycle again, this time in a pair of duotones starring in a poster or advertisement. Another use of multiple duotones in composition, this time achieved by setting some colored circles to overlay blending mode. The important thing is that InDesign lets you mix these inks any way you want to get a whole array of colors without having to use all 4 plates and incur the cost and appearance of 4-color printing. One of the benefits of using monotone and duotone in your designs is to save money in print projects. That takes a back seat, however, to the sheer elegance imbued into a design by the presence of well-done monotone and duotone objects.